The deep group of small muscles of the gluteal region include 5 muscles: Piriformis Muscle, Obturator Internus Muscle, Superior Gemellus Muscle, Inferior Gemellus Muscle, and Quadratus Femoris Muscle. These muscles are present deep to the superficial group of large muscles. If I remove these superficial group of large muscles, then here is the deep group of small muscles. First, I will come to the origin of these muscles. All these muscles has different origin. The piriformis muscle originate from anterior surface of the sacrum. The obturator internus muscle originate from inner surface of the obturator membrane and the margins of the obturator foramen. Superior gemellus muscle originate from external surface of the ischial spine. Inferior gemellus muscle originate from upper aspect of the ischial tuberosity. And the quadratus femoris muscle originate from anterior aspect of the ischial tuberosity. Now coming to the course of these muscles. The piriformis muscle passes in the greater sciatic foramen, while the obturator internus muscle passes in the lesser sciatic foramen. Rest of the muscle do not pass in any foramen. All of these muscle passes posterior to the hip joint. Now next is the insertion of these muscles. All these muscles insert on the medial side of the greater trochanter, except the quadratus femoris muscle, which insert on the quadrate tubercle. Now it is important to remember that on the medial side of the greater trochanter is inserted deep group of small muscles, while on the lateral side of the greater trochanter is inserted the superficial group of large muscles. Now this is not a hard and fast rule. Not all muscles of the deep group are inserted on the medial side of the greater trochanter, as quadratus femoris is inserted on the quadrate tubercle. Same, not all muscles of the superficial group are inserted on the lateral aspect of the greater trochanter. Next is the nerve innervation. The piriformis muscle is innervated by nerve branches from S1 and S2. The superior gemellus muscle and the obturator internus muscle is innervated by nerve to obturator internus. The inferior gemellus muscle and the quadratus femoris muscle is innervated by nerve to quadratus femoris. Next is the action of these muscles. The main action of all these muscles is to externally rotate the femur at the hip joint. The obturator internus muscle with the superior and inferior gemellus muscle act as one unit, and along with the external rotation, it also has a minor function of abducting the femur at the hip joint. Next, I will discuss the superficial group of large muscle, starting with the gluteus maximus muscle. Thank you.